project in which it tells us about water indicator. So when we can put it in our water tanks and know that if the tank is bit filled with water. So when the water level will come up, then when the water level will be increased and will come top of the tank. So there will be two wires. Assalamualaikum, my name is Mohammad Wasif Farhan and I am here in my basic electrical engineering class in which we are learning about electrical components and electrical things. When we have come up with another project which name is water level indicator. So basically its concept is to stop the water wastage and to save water, because water is very important thing and it is becoming less day by day. So we have made a project in which it tells us about water indicator. So when we can put it in our water tanks and know that if the tank is bit filled with water. So when the water level will come up, then when the water level will be increased and will come top of the tank. So there will be two wires connecting, and when the water will touch these wires, so the light will blink. So we will know that the tank is now filled up and we can close our motor and can save water from being wasted. We have used their 47K resistors and one 5 watt LED bulb and BC 547 transistor, which is making this possible, and a 9 watt battery. Thank you.